If you sell on Etsy and you need to take a break because of family situation or you just don't have enough time to catch up with your orders, this is especially true when you get very busy and your Etsy shop gets very popular for some reason and you have more orders than you can handle, then the solution is to put your shop in vacation mode. Doing this just puts a brief pause on your shop so that you can't accept more orders and orders will not go through. It is temporary and you can set up times for it. So it's something you can enable and disable as needed so that you have the time and ability to catch up on orders or to take care of things in your regular life outside of Etsy. Putting your shop in vacation mode on Etsy and taking a break is very, very simple. You'll want to go to Shop Manager, which is the behind the scenes of your shop. And then on that screen, you'll want to go to the left-hand side and scroll down to Settings. On the Settings page, you'll want to go on the left-hand side to the Options tab. And then once you get to Shop Options, it will be the second tab at the top that says Vacation Mode. You'll click the Vacation Mode link and it'll take you to this page where you can temporarily put your shop on hold. Your listings don't appear in search results and can't be purchased. So it's basically just shutting down your shop, but temporarily, and you can bring it back to life when you're ready to go. To do so, you'll just click on, so your shop is on vacation, and then you'll want to put an announcement that tells people about the vacation mode, specifically the dates, because if you already have buyers who come back regularly, they'll want to know when they can purchase again. If you are only temporarily taking a vacation or just closing down for a couple days to catch up on orders, that is something very useful to put in your announcement. And you can also put the same in any messages so that there's an auto reply so you don't have to worry about missing messages while you're out. Etsy says it takes a few seconds to change to vacation mode status, but I've found it usually does it pretty instantly. So you can click through to your shop and it will show a large announcement at the top that says your shop is taking a short break, and then it will show that message that you typed in below, a note from the shop owner. So when you have that enabled, it's going to show at the top of your shop and then people won't be able to click through. To disable it, you'll just go back to vacation mode under shop options, and to turn it off, you will just click off and it will say off, your shop is active, and then you will want to delete your vacation announcement and message auto reply and click save. Then you will show your shop as active. You can go back and refresh just to make sure that it took and everything is showing. So as you can see, it was pretty instant when I did it on my shop, disabling and enabling both. So that is how to put your shop on vacation mode.